Hello friends, in this video we are going to derive a formula to calculate the pressure head which is generated due to gradual closure of wall in a pipe. So we will consider a pipe. Initially it is flowing discharge Q with velocity V. Area of cross section will be this hashed area, that will be equal to A. The length to consider is say L. So we will start our first cross section over here and second cross section over here. This is the plane in which this wall is get closed. But now the thing is, the closure is gradual. So this is the length L. Closure is called gradual when time of closing wall is less than 2t upon c. So t is time in second and c is velocity of pressure wave. So if pressure wave requires a particular velocity c to travel, then 2t divided by c will be a value of particular time. If time of closure will be more than that, then that will be called as gradual closure, and if it is less than that, that will be called as sudden closure. So we are considering the first case, that is of gradual closure. So this is the derivation for gradual closure. It is very clear that the compression zone is get created, so increase will be there for the pressure, and now we are going to find the pressure head to be get calculated. To calculate pressure head, first we will calculate pressure. To calculate pressure, we will calculate force. To calculate force, we will consider various basic relations to be followed in gradual case. So let's see the derivation. Mass of water in pipe, we have considered two sections, section 1 and section 2. Mass of the water means self weight of the water. So self weight of the water can be calculated as water which is get stored between a particular length L. So basic formula to calculate mass of the water is density into volume of water. So density can be considered as rho into volume of water is this area multiplied by this cross sectional area multiplied by this length. So area into L. Rate of retardation of water. I want to calculate rate of retardation of water. So that is nothing but the change in velocity upon time. What actually happens when we suddenly close the wall at t equal to 0, velocity was v. At t equal to say 0.1 second, in 0.1 second the wall is get closed, so velocity becomes v equal to 0. So this change in velocity occurs in very less time. So change in velocity divided by time gives us the value of retardation. So that will be equal to v upon time. So basic formula to calculate force is mass into acceleration. In our case, it is a deceleration. So mass is rho al into, this is rho al mass, and acceleration, deceleration, this is v upon t. So v whole divided by t. So this is rho al v upon t. This is the force. Now I want to calculate pressure. So pressure is equal to force upon area. This is the basic formula, force upon area. So rho ALV divided by T into area. This area will get cancelled. So rho LV divided by T. So this is the formula for the pressure which is generated. But pressure head is equal to P upon gamma. We generally consider energy in pressure in terms of meter. So we consider formula as P upon gamma. So we will have value as rho LV upon gamma into T. Now rho and gamma are nothing but the mass density and unit densities of the water. Say for example, I am writing here in the side, rho is 1000 kg per meter cube for water and gamma is 9810 Newton per meter cube or 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube for water. And the relation is such that gamma equal to this rho into G. So this 9810 is equal to this 1000 into G is 9.81 gravitational acceleration. So we will have rho equal to gamma upon G. In place of this rho, I have put this term gamma upon G into LV upon gamma T. This gamma gets cancelled. So LV upon G into T. So this is P upon gamma. We generally call this as pressure head H. This is nothing but that height of water which is raised in surge well. Say for example, this is pipe, this is sudden closure, this is a surge well, and this is high pressure zone, and this wave is coming towards the surge well, and now due to this pressure, initial level is changing to final level. So this change in level is nothing but the LV upon GT in case of wall is gradually closed. That's all. Thank you.